everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Gamepass on Roblox. So if you also want to create Gamepass on Roblox, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.roblox.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Roblox. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now if you look at the top left, you can see several options over here. Click on the create option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to the creator hub. You can see over here you can also directly use this URL in order to go to creator hub. Now what you have to do is click on the dashboard option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're in experiences. At here you'll be able to see the option for create experience. All you have to do is click on it. Or you can also use the default experience. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see several options. Scroll down. Under the monetization section you'll be able to see the option for passes. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see a button for create a pass. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the default image over here. You can also change it. Click on the change option that you can see right over here. Now upload the image of your choice. Scroll down. Now you'll have to provide a name to your Gamepass. Click on the name box and enter the name. You can also provide the description. Simply click on the description box. Type in the description. Now after that you'll be able to see create pass option right over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here your Gamepass has been created. Now what you have to do is click on this Gamepass that you've just created. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At left you'll be able to see the option for sales. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here this kind of interface will open up. You can see the option item for sale over here. All you have to do is toggle this button. After that you'll have to enter the price for your Gamepass. Keep in mind that as a creator, you'll only get 70% of the sale. Now click on the option Save Changes. Now you can see over here, pass updated successfully. Now your Gamepass is created. So that is how you create Gamepass on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.